Hello my dear students, in our last video we discussed about the Indian place value system and the international place value system, and also we discussed about the ascending order and the descending order of the numbers, how to keep the order in the ascending order and the descending order. So today we will discuss about the place value and the face value. So what is place value and the face value? So first of all, we will just revise if a number is given. So in the Indian system, what happens if a 7-digit number is there? So when we move towards the left, each house increases 10 times, is 10 times greater than ones, 100 is 10 times greater than tens, 1000 is 10 times greater than 100, 10,000 is 10 times greater than 10,000, lakhs is 10 times greater than 10,000, and 10 lakhs is 10 times greater than lakhs. So it increases, generally each house increases 10 times. So this is all about the Indian system. For example, this number is given 43279112. If we want to place this according to the Indian place value system, we can write in the words also. We can write in the words like this: 43,27,912. Yes, so this is the Indian place value system. So this is the Indian place value system. So what happens? The ones in the ones place 2 is there. So there is nothing more to divide. So 2 into 1. And in the tens place, what is there? In the tens place 1 is there. So we have to multiply 1 into 10. So in the 100 place, what is there? 9 is there. So 9 into 100, like this. How much places it is there? We have to put that many zeros. So in the 1000 place, how many? In the 1000 place, 7 is there. So 7 into 1000. In the 10,000 place, 2 is there. So it is 2 into 10,000. In the lakhs place, 3 is there. So 3 into 1 lakh. In the 10 lakh place, 4 is there. So 4 into 10 lakh. Like this we have to write. So what do you mean by place value? So place value is the value of any digit in a number, and it depends on the position in the value chart. This is the value chart. You can see this is the value chart. Okay, this is the value chart. So if I want to find the place value of 7 in this whole number, so how to find the place value of 7 in the whole number? We can write the place value of 7 is seven. How many zeros it is? It is in 1000 place. So 7 into 1000. So the place value will be 7000. If we want to take the place value of 2 in this number, so what it will be? It is placed in 10,000 place. So what will be the place value? You can write the place value of 2 is 2 into, it is in 10,000 place. So 2 into 10,000 equals to 2000. The place value is 20,000. Okay, this is the place value of any number. So the place value can be defined as the digit in the number, depends on the position where it is placed in the chart, in the value chart. This is the value chart where the number is placed. We have to see where it is placed. Then you can write and find out what is the place value. So suppose if we have to take the place value of 4, this is the 7-digit number, and we have to find the place value of 4. So 4 is placed in the 10 lakhs place. So the place value of 4 is 40 lakhs. Yes, 40 lakhs. 4 followed by 6 zeros. So the place value of 4 is 4 followed by 6 zeros. So this is all about the place value. Now we will consider one more example of the place value. So this is the number 567005 is the number. So when we have to find the place value of 5, so what is the place value of 5? There are two 5s over here. So the place value, when it is placed in ones place, it is the place value is only 5. When it is placed in the lakhs place, the place value is 5 into 1 lakh, that it is 5 lakhs. For suppose we have to find the place value of 7 in this number. So what is the place value of 7 in this number? The place value of 7 is 7 into, where it is placed? It is placed in the thousand place. It is placed in thousand place. So the place value will be 1 into 1000, that is 7 into 1000, that is 7000 is the place value of 7. And we have to find the place value of 0. So there are two zeros. Yes, if you have to find the place value of 0, so we have to find the place value of 0. So there are two zeros over here. So the place value of 0 is 0 into any number. Say it is placed in 100 place, is any number is 0. 0 if it is placed in the tens place also, the place value is 0 only. So if 0 is there, the place value will be 0 itself. It will not be multiplied by, if it is multiplied by any number, any digit also, it comes to 0. So the place value is 0. So now we will talk about what is the face value. What is the face value? The face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. So the value of the digit itself is the face value, and the face value of the digit does not change irrespective of the position in the number. So wherever it is, the face value will not change in a number. So suppose we have to find the face value of 5 over here. So the face value of 5 in this number, 5,67,005 is 5 itself. So the face value is itself 5, but the place value changes according to the position in the value chart. If I'll take another number 172,946. 11724,946. So it can be written as 11,72,946. Yes, so we have taken an example 11,72,946. we have to find the place value and face value of 2. So what will be the place value? Place value of 2, where it is place value of 2. So what is the place value of 2 over here? So I have underlined 2. Okay, what is the place value of 2 over here? 2 is in thousand place. So 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000. Yes, and what is the face value? Face value is the value itself, that is the face value is 2. So this is all about the face value and the place value. Now we will take an example to find out a digit, and I'll place the digit in a chart type. Okay, so this is the digit, this is the place value, and this is face value. I have put in the chart. So I'll take the digit 4, 7, 6, 9, 1, 2. And it is arranged around according to, it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So 4, what is the place value? 4 into 1 is equal to 4. What is the place value of 7? 7 into 10 is equal to 70. What is the place value of 6? 6 into 100 is 600. What is the place value of 9? 9 into 9 into 1000 is equal to 9000. What is the place value of 1? 1 into 10,000 is 10,000. What is the place value of 2? 2 into 1 lakh followed by 5 zeros, it is 2 lakh. Okay, and what is the face value of 4? The face value of 4 is the number itself. So what is the number? 4. What is the place value of 7? It is the number itself, that is 7. What is the place value of 6? It is the number itself, that is 6. What is the place value of 9? It is in thousand place. The place value is same, 9. And what is the place value of 1? It is same as 1. What is the face value of 2? It is 2 itself. So the face value will not change. It will be the same number. But the place value depends on the position where it is placed in the value chart. So I think it is clear. So what is face value and what is place value? So today we have learned about the place value and the face value. So place value of a digit in the number depends on the position in the value chart, and the face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. The face value of the digit does not change irrespective of the position of the number. So whatever be the position of the number, it will not change. So this is all about the face value and place value. Thank you.